effort of constructing a one-classroom school building for the use of NSU Laboratory High School students, thereby providing an environment conducive to learning. This accomplishment brings great pride to your alma mater and the community as a whole. Given this 27th day of June 2012 at Naval State University in Balbulina. Signed, Noel Pilamon Tiguerama, Rebecca T. Gutierrez, and Dr. Edita S. Henson.
Batch officers, will you please join Dr.
Officers na una.
I'd like to tell something on behalf of Batch EP6 and the Batch EP6 of the Department University that we're still planning to continue a project. Maybe upstairs
Manyara,
or...
mga officers na mga officers. Adi na. Apin na natin. Tapos picture dalawa din ha.
Gani.
Ano yung tablet na picture ha?
Thank you very much. This will be given by our university president, batch 86ers to our university president. This school building is made possible through the efforts of NIT High School 86ers, supported by the BU of Tacloban High School 86, in coordination with the NSU, LHS PTCA, NSU Alumni Association, and the NSU Federation of Alumni Associations. Date of turnover, June 27, 2012. So, I request Ma'am Henson, the PTCA President Dr. John Romanos, and the Alumni Presidents to receive the building marker. So, picture taking with the New High School as donors, as our partners in the building of this classroom.
Apel ito.